Mikatakno Cv Axles is here. When your car appears abnormal sound, Cv Axles oil leakage, shaking and other problems, note you need to upgrade Cv Axles. It can ameliorate the above problems. Mikatakno Cv Axles. Good materials are used. High strength wear resistant special steel. Corrosion resistant rubber dust jacket. Advanced production and testing equipment. Ensure product quality. Greatly improved stability, robustness and durability. Effectively eliminate the problems such as jitter and abnormal noise caused by Cv Axles failure during driving. Effectively support the car center of gravity balance, so that the car body driving more stable and smooth. On-site installation of OEM standards. Select Mikatakno Cv Axles. Give you a comfortable and quiet driving experience.